welcome, welcome, welcome. The market bell has just rung. And look at where we are right now. We finally got ETFs and they will start trading today. And anticipation is sky high. BlackRock themselves are supposed to be bringing $2 billion today alone. But let's see where it goes. Bitcoin right now above 47.8. We haven't seen this level for a long time. Back in 2021, are we going to break 48 and head to 50,000 today? Well, if we do, I have to break out the blue label tonight. But it's looking good right now. The entire market went higher. 1.8 trillion. No, 1.82 trillion. Okay, ETH is still skyrocketing. Solana, Cardano, Avalanche up 18, 17%. Polkadot 20, Polygon 14. I mean, look at it. Today is a this is what bull runs feel like, okay? When everything's going up double digits. Just wait until Bitcoin starts going up double digits every day. That is when it gets really nutty. That's the parabolic phase. Of course, we're starting off. This was on the front page. Coinbase, Robinhood shares rises. Bitcoin ETF approvals adds credibility to the cryptocurrency industry. I don't know. I don't think it adds any credibility. Maybe Wall Street guys now say, yeah, there's more credibility since we have spot Bitcoin ETFs. But those of us in the space, we knew this was the way. This is what you wanted to hold on to forever, right? Like, we didn't need Wall Street. We don't need people to tell us now there's credibility, so we should hold it. No, we knew all along. Circle, you know, the company behind USDC, they're looking to do IPO. We know Ripple's been talking about that for a while. I have some XRP news as well. But yeah, if you look at this right now. Oh, Jesus. I think this is one of the few that got listed already. IBIT went up 2,100%. I don't know from what, basically from zero, I guess. But if there's 0 to 2,000, I mean, this should be infinite. I don't even know how they've calculated this. But in the pre-market, BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF was already up 28%. Now I don't know where it's going to go, but seems like it's going up and up and up and up and up. And this is just one of many. Of course, there were 11 ETFs approved yesterday. I don't know if all 11 are going to open today, but it's going to be a wild, crazy day. That's what it's going to be. Even Franklin Templeton, who has turned pro Bitcoin recently, put this as their new profile pick. We haven't seen a lot of laser eye picks these days. I mean, Michael Saylor led the way, and he removed it, I think. And I don't know, or he has like these lightning marks, lightning stuff now. But like, you don't see a lot of laser eyes anymore. But even a huge asset manager like Franklin Templeton, worth 1.4 trillion with a T, is getting involved with Bitcoin now. I mean, everyone's FOMOing it. Cathie Wood, not the greatest interviewer. She stumbles and mumbles a lot. But she was asked about her holdings. What does she hold? Okay. And she said 25% of her net worth, discounting ARK, discounting the company and so forth, but like whatever else, all the investments that she has, 25% is in Bitcoin. She said at least, so it could be even higher. It could be like 30 or 40%. Okay. That's a big endorsement. I mean, same thing. My net worth is like 99% in crypto. Like, I have very little outside of crypto. Everything is in crypto, okay? That may seem like it's too aggressive, way too aggressive. You need to diversify. Here's the thing. I truly believe this. If you want to make life-changing wealth, okay, you want to like really load up and make millions, right? You should not diversify. You should just stick with what you know and the fastest horse in the race, and that's Bitcoin and crypto. And then once you make that money, then you diversify, okay? Because if you diversify too fast, basically you're diluting your potential gains. So, I mean, that's just me. But it depends on your age group and whether you're close to retirement, whether you can afford to be aggressive or conservative. It's up, everyone's situation is different. But 25%, I say that's pretty good. But for someone like me, I'm like almost 100%. I ride and die with Bitcoin. I mean, that's pretty much how you sum it up. Okay, but with the ETF approval, short term, can Bitcoin hit 60,000? I think so. I think by mid of this, oh man, we just hit 40. I wish I had my bell. We just hit 48,000. 48,000. That's a new, we just broke through the recent of 47.9. So this is a new high for this year and new high for long. I mean, the trading view won't even load because there's too many people refreshing right now. It's like trading view is even taking a long time. See, this shows you how much volume there is right now. I mean, when people are like endlessly refreshing trading view and it's now taking a while to load, that tells you how many people. And Coinbase right now is having problems too. Now we're just going to rocket. We're going to rocket to 50,000. Actually, I think if we're going to start rocketing, the next stop is not 50,000. It'll be like 52,300. I think the way we're going right now, if we start shattering some of these points like 50,000 and then we get a lot of short squeezes, we're going to go right back to 52,000. I think that's the next stop actually. But anyways, continuing forward here. 60,000 around the corner? Sure. I mean, if we're going to be at 50,000, 60,000 is like nothing, okay? I think we're going to be around 70,000, just around our previous high, I would say mid-year, June or July, right after halving event. I think that's actually, the way we're moving now, that may be conservative, but I think that's where we're going to end up, and we could be 6 digits by the end of this year. So 100,000 by the end of the year. Not unreasonable. This year, as bullish as it seems, this is not the last year of the cycle. 2025 is. So if we end the year at 100,000, how high is Bitcoin going to go in 2025? Another 5x to 500,000? No, this is in 5 years, but we could do another 2x. End the year at 200,000 or 250 or 300,000 by the end of 2025. Who knows? I mean, like right now, it's just like, we're all speculating. Here's the funny thing. It's only January 11th. I mean, we just started the year. We didn't even finish the second week of January, and it's this bullish already. I mean, that's the crazy thing. We're only in the second week of January of the new year. We're not even like midway through the year, Like we could speculate all we want, but it's so early and it's looking so good right now. I mean, this is why we hold on in DCA, right? I've been doing this for a long time and telling you guys the ultimate strategy is just to hold on DCA. And we got through crypto winter, and now everyone's getting rewarded, right? Everyone watching is getting rewarded. And hopefully new people coming into the space, new people chiming into this channel and watching and trying to learn about Bitcoin. Just know that the ultimate strategy has always been HODL and DCA. Dollar cost average into Bitcoin or your favorite crypto, and just HODL. Hold on to dear life and just never sell it. And basically, that's how you win.